Hi there, I'm Taufik Rahan here from the road to, and today we're going to review you. Not review of the motorcycle is the reason why I get myself the Aprilia Rsv4. Stay tuned. So, before I start any further regarding about this, why do I purchase the Rsv4, please do take note that I'm not being sponsored or being financed by any shop or any company regarding on this purchasing. And I'm not those motor vlogger who love to fabricate stuff. No, I don't fabricate any of the stuff. So, let's find out why the Rsv4. I have my own personal goal, alright? It's nothing, it's just my personal thing. So, first thing foremost, I want a European bike, right? I never own a European bike under my name. Yes, I ride a Ducati before, I ride the BMW S1000. Yes, I ever ridden that, but it's not under my name. So, with that said, that's why I choose a European bike is Aprilia, which is, why not the BMW S1000? Yeah, I rode a S1000 before and I love that bike. It's a very good bike. But the problem is that S1000 is an inline 4. And that's the number 2 that I'm searching is, I want a V4 as well. So, with that said, there's only 2 contenders. Is either the Rsv4 or the Ducati V4S. So, like I said, I'm not those people who like to fabricate, oh yeah, because Aprilia is way more better, whatever. No. I'm not those guys, right? I want a V4S, to be honest. But for those of you who are not living in Singapore, do you know how much does it cost to buy a V4S used, not brand new, used? Minimum $60,000. I can get 3 to 4 out of this, alright? I rather get 3 or 4 V4, Rsv4, and I crash it on the track, and I still have one more bike or another bike to go. So with that said, it's not wise for me to get a Ducati V4S. Yes, I can finance it, the bike or whatever. What's the point if I want to pay $800 a month where I'm going to the apex and I fear of $800 a month, $800 a month? For what? And the best part, the V4S, 60,000, there is this thing called Certificate of Entitlement, meaning that every 10 years you have to renew the certificate. $60,000, I can own that bike for 5 years to 6 years, depending. For this bike, I purchased it. Upon purchase, yes, it's used, not brand new. It left for 9 years, 6 months, if I'm not wrong, left when I purchased this bike. So it's wise for me to just buy, which is three times lesser and slightly longer, the certificate of entitlement. And with that said, I want to take this bike to the track. So what's the point? I'm owning a V4S, which is $60,000, and I'm not doing good in life, alright? I'm not that financially well, right? So, with that said, if I have to pay $800, $900 per month, how am I supposed to finance myself to go to the track? Like, example, I need to teach myself a wrist fairing, to do the valve clearance and everything. Why am I supposed to get the cash flow? Am I right or not? So, with that said, this is the only European and V4 engine that is suited for my financial to take this bike to the track. So, as you all know that I want to take this bike to the track, there will be a upcoming video that I want to show you that what do I change about the fairing, the carbon fiber parts, whatever. And yeah, my objective is to take this bike to the track first thing first. And the second objective is I'm trying to shred off as many weight as possible. As currently, I'm not sure how much total this bike weigh off, but I want to try to cut off as many weight as possible. So, as you know, if I buy a V4S, how much to finance to change carbon fiber parts here and there, because the cash flow is not that big. So, with that said, if you are interested on the development of this motorbike from this current stage to a track use bike, or you want to know where do I get the parts from where, and how long does it take to ship to Southeast Asia, right? I'm staying in Southeast Asia. How long does it take? Please do subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell button for the latest update. On my next video, I will share to you what's the current stage of this bike is. As for now, hope to see you guys there in the future. Till next time.